Yeah, so let us solve question number 22. In the figure below, lines AB is equal to 10 centimeters and AD is equal to 5 centimeters are part of a trapezium ABCD in which line AB is parallel to line DC. Angle DAB is equal to 65 degrees. As we can see, so hii ni kati ya zile maswali ambazo most of the students were complaining that it had an error. Na ni ukweli, we shall see where that error was. So let us now look at this question and see on how we can complete our trapezium ABCDs. Already we have point A, we have B, and we have point D. So that means C must be somewhere here. And we are told that the angle DAB is 65 degrees. Okay, so we need to obtain A on the same figure using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. Complete trapezium ABCD given that angle ABD is equal to 67.5 degrees. Then measure the length of line DC. So learners, let's look at that. Let us see on how we can get the 4 marks. We begin by extrapolating line AB. You can see here that I've extrapolated the line up to this particular point. So since the angle here, angle ABD, angle ABD, it is supposed to be angle ABC, learners. That is now where the mistake was. It's supposed to be angle ABC. ABC should be somewhere here. And then that angle should be 67.5. So how do we consider an angle of 67.5? First of all, allow me to construct here an angle of 90, perpendicular line from this particular point. So we begin by constructing a perpendicular line here. That is the angle. Yeah. And then we extrapolate it more than half. Then yeah, we just do that. So we do that. Then we come this side. We do the same extension, the same arc. Yeah, then we join this. We join that. We join these 2 arcs. Of this one here, and we have this. So these 2 are supposed to be joined. So that is our line. So we have an angle of 90 on this side, an angle of 90 on this side. So if an angle of 90 is bisected, we get 90 degrees, 45. So we begin by bisecting this angle here, this other angle on this side. So just a minute. So that is how we bisect. So I'll just put my arc here, and then I'll put another arc there. Then I extend it more than half. So from here I can just extend it more than half. So I will just put an arc here. Then I come here and put just come here. I put another arc. Then I join. So we have already bisected the angle on this side. So that means here we have 45 degrees, and the whole of this angle is therefore 105 degrees. So what you do here, want to get 67.5, we bisect the whole of this angle. So again, we just put a small arc here, another arc here, and then we do the bisection. As you can see, that is how we put our arcs. Yeah, we've bisected the big angle, this big angle, 135. So we want to join from here up to here. So we shall have an angle of 67.5. Let us see. You can see, guys, you can see that angle there is exact at 67.5. It is at 67.5. So let us now join. We want to obtain a point. We want to obtain our point C. So let's see. Yeah, so this is the trapezium, and therefore this should be our point C. So if you look at this information here, it is a bit contradicting, because we are told to complete the trapezium ABCD given that angle ABD, it cannot be 67.5 learners, and therefore it should be ABC 67.5, as you can see. So this is now this is the trapezium. So from here, let us now see how we what else are we supposed to do. So measure line DC. So from here up to here, just to measure here up to here, you can just do it. This one you can do it. Just to measure from here up to this particular point, up to that particular point. So this one, by measurement, it is supposed to be around yeah, it should be 6 centimeters. So just come here. DC is therefore 6 centimeters. You score this one. Excuse me. And then we have this a 4-marks question. So angle ABC, construction of angle ABC, which is 67.5 degrees, is also, we also have a mark. Then point C alone, just showing the position of C, is also 1 mark. And then the complete diagram A, B, C, D is also 1 mark. So that is how marks are distributed. Now let us look at Roman 2. Drop a perpendicular line from D, from this D here, to meet AB, at a point E. Then measure the length of DE. So how do we do that? So let me show you. This is how we do it. Starting at D, we just put an arc like that. Can you see this arc, learners? And then you just come here at the point at which this arc touches line AB, like at this point. At this point, we just put an arc here. Then we come this side, we put another arc at this point. Then we just cut it like that. Then we join D to this point where the 2 arcs meet. So this is our perpendicular as per Roman 2. This is our perpendicular. So we label this one as E. Label that as E. So what is the length of this line DE? So DE is equal to, so just to measure, no, just put your compass here and then up to that point, up to this particular point. So by measurement, this is around 4.5, as you can see. It is 4.5. So DE is therefore 4.5 centimeters. Yeah, then we have another mark for this perpendicular, construction of this perpendicular from D. It's another 1 mark. Then Roman 3, draw an arc of a circle, center A, center is A, radius 5 centimeters. The clockwise direction arc should join D to point F on line AB. So that means just come here, the same extension from this point, learners, from this particular point, yeah, from here up to this particular point here, up to this point. This is 5 centimeters. Yeah, and then from here now, it should be like that. That is the arc. So this is point F. So the arc DF on the diagram, on our diagram, is supposed to be again 1 mark. Then from here now, the last part of the question, we are told calculate the area of trapezium ABCD that lies outside. That means this is not the arc. So part of the trapezium that is outside the arc is supposed to be from here up to the other end. So we just take area of the whole trapezium minus area of this arc. Yeah, so that means I will take a half area of the trapezium, a half times. We have 10 and we have 6. So that is 10 plus 6 times the perpendicular height, which is just 4.5. So minus the whole of this one minus area of this arc is actually theta, which is 65 over 360 times, of course here we take 3.142, then times radius is 5 squared. Yeah, so that is now how we, so here we just obtain 36, then minus, yeah, if we take 16 times 4.5, then divide by 2, yeah, that gives us 36. And then on this side, if I take 65 but over 360 times 3.142 times 25, that gives us 14.1826. So if we subtract here, what do we get? We get 21.82 square centimeters. So this is now the area of the trapezium that lies outside the arc. So thank you, learners. Thank you. It was a bit challenging because of the mistake here. It is supposed to be angle ABC and not ABD. That's why students complained during KCSE. So that is how we were to work out this question. And this is the trapezium. So thank you, learners. May God bless you. So this angle here we are told is 65. And this angle here from here up to here is therefore 67.5 degrees. Yeah. So thank you.